Hello students, today you will learn human development. Okay, what is human development? Human development means not only economical development but development in every aspect of life. Suppose healthcare, education, social development, equality, okay, opportunities for all people, talent development, capabilities development, these all type of development, okay, civic amenities, okay, drinking water, shelter. So this all, okay, is called human development. Standard 10, okay, lesson 19, SS, human development. Change is rule of life. An infant grows slowly into an adult. From the infant means small child of 7-year-old, okay, so he become an adult. From the phase of primitive man has developed into present complicated social arrangement. So since the stage of primitive man was living in forest, okay, he had not developed, he lived like animal. So from that stage, mankind has progressed so much. Social system and economic systems have also developed in different form. Social system and economic development took place in different form. Economics which developed to maintain a record of economic production and consumption. So economics means production, consumption, expenditure, profit loss. Expenditure means spending, profit and loss has started becoming a scripture of physical well-being, and human development is 60 to 70 years old. So this economic development became scripture. Okay, people started keeping record, and this happened during last 60 to 70 years. A lot of difference is there in the quality of life of people in different countries. In different countries, quality of people is different from another country. Even between two countries, even in between two countries, difference are seen even between two region of the countries. Okay, not only in two country, but in the different two region of the same country, okay, their life is different. In order to improve quality of life, there is a need to satisfy basic requirement. How can we improve the quality of life if we can satisfy basic need, basic requirement like food, clothing and shelter? Then education, health, entertainment, etc. arise. This is chapter we shall study about human development and what is the condition of India in Human Development Index. So in this chapter we will study what is human development and India's position in Human Development Index. Now, human development definition. This term is often used by agencies of media, political leaders, different institutions and government. The term human development is used for expansion of human capacities, prevalence of preferences, development of freedom and human right. So human development is used to expand, increase capacities, prevalence of preferences. People get preferences, they should have choices. Development of freedom and human right, fundamental right, human right, freedom. Human development gives indication of many other things other than education, health, nutrition and controlling resources. Indication of many other things. Human development में include होता है education, health, nutrition and controlling resources. Human development is a process extending human aspiration. Human aspiration means ambition and essential subsistence services, UNDP. Essential subsistence services, okay, healthcare services, okay, and banking services, etc. Human development is man-centered access in the direction of development. Man-centered. Human development means it focus on human being. Okay, how is human being? So man-centered in the direction of development. Objective of human development is to create same conditions for everyone's life. Okay, same condition, equality. Not only development of few people or some rich people or some percentage of the people of the country, but development for all. Minimum facilities should be got by everyone so that people may lead significant and creative life. So people can live creative life according to their talent. Earlier, human development was evaluated on the basis of economic development only. पहले ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट को इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट से ही माना जाता था. इफ पीपल बिकम रिच, पीपल इनकम इंक्रीज, देन ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट विल टेक प्लेस. बट दैट वाज रॉन्ग. पर कैपिटा इनकम वाज कंसिडर्ड एज द ओनली मेजर फॉर ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट. पर कैपिटा इनकम मीन्स पर हेड इनकम, तो उसको ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट माना जाता था. All the nations of the world concentrated on increasing their gross national product, GNP. So all the nations of the world wanted to increase their production. However, despite achieving economic success, there was no change in the lifestyle and quality of life of people. Despite achieving economic success, तो economic success पाने के बावजूद okay, people's per capita income, per head income increased, national income increased, but though human development didn't take place among some portion or some percentage of people, their life of quality did not improve. Thus, it would be incorrect to believe that human development can only be achieved by economic development. So, it is wrong that human development can be achieved by economic development. If country become rich, then human development will take place. It is wrong. So human development is not only related to income, but also on how to use income. Okay, not only related to income, but how it is used. There are 4 important pillars of human development: quality, stability, production, and empowerment. Equality, stability, production, and empowerment. The equality among people, stability in life, safety, production of enough required things, articles, and empowerment through knowledge and right. Human development, therefore, is getting opportunity to lead a successful and creative life. So human development gives opportunity to lead a successful and creative life according to one's own taste, interest, skill, intelligence, and capabilities. Okay, according to their education, capability, intelligence, they can get work and they can become satisfied. Now here are some points. Okay. So human development means ability of human being to lead successful and creative life as per their own interest, abilities, and wisdom. So people can live life as per their own interest and education and skill and ability. Second, creation of human capabilities, securing equality and getting an opportunity to select in various field. Creation of human capabilities to increase skill of people, securing equality of people and getting an opportunity to select in various field, and people get opportunity to be selected in various field. So their capabilities will increase and they can be selected in various fields. Third, men living healthy, fine, fit, and long life. Okay, people's life, okay, health improve. Acquiring knowledge through information and education. Empowerment through knowledge. They can get knowledge and education. Getting opportunity for monetary benefit means earning, their income increase, they can live happy life. Opportunity of monetary benefit, monetary means related money. Natural resources should be available all to improve living standard. Natural resources suppose drinking water, other minerals, articles, okay, to improve their living standard. Achieving qualitative lifestyle. Quality of life should improve. Qualitative lifestyle, living standard should improve. Removal of squalor and improvement of health related conditions. Squalor means filth or garbage. An improvement of health related condition. So health related condition, hygiene improves, cleanliness improves. Obtaining personal and social security. Personal security about their income and security in the society. His prestige, okay, he can live respectful life with dignity. Utilizing human right. He must have fundamental right and human right. And obtaining individual and social security. Again, individual security, safety and social security. Okay, students, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.